All right. So, and again, I will undoubtedly use one of these as one of the lab stations. So we have the hyoid bone. Then that's number one. Number two is the thyroid cartilage. Thyroid cartilage is large anteriorly. It's incomplete posteriorly. Working posteriorly, we get a better view of the epiglottis. And we can see the cricoid cartilage. Cricoid cartilage is large posteriorly, fairly small anteriorly. Number four here would be the arytenoid cartilage. So then we'd find the vocal cords right there. Okay. Below that, we get into trachea. Trachea has these C-shaped cartilages that are complete anteriorly, incomplete posteriorly, and so the esophagus can expand into the trachea during the swallow. Trachea bifurcates at the carina, so this area is going to be the carina right here. It bifurcates into the right main stem bronchus and the left main stem bronchus. Left main stem bronchus branches into the left upper lobe bronchus and the left lower lobe bronchus. The right main stem branches into the right upper lobe bronchus and the bronchus intermedius. Bronchus intermedius branches into the middle lobe bronchus and the lower lobe bronchus. And that's as far out as you need to know the divisions. So this is the left lung. Here is the major fissure. Again, it's not anatomically correct. It should be running more like this. But at any rate, major fissure, left lower lobe, left upper lobe. Right lung, this is actually a pretty decent example. Major fissure and minor fissure, giving us the right upper lobe, middle lobe, and lower lobe. And this larger version here, we can see things that we've already identified. So hyoid bone, epiglottis, folding back to cover the airway during the swallow, thyroid cartilage, and the cricoid cartilage. Trachea. Looking posteriorly, we can see that the thyroid cartilage is incomplete posteriorly, and that the cricoid cartilage is larger posteriorly than it is anteriorly. These would be the arytenoid cartilages. So as long as you can identify those things, and including on the 3D models, you got it made for this section of the lab test. Questions?
Well, that one's the thyroid, right?
Yeah, thyroid gland. So that would be a possible, extra credit question going back to the last section.
Okay.
There'll be